Are you looking for stylish planters and plant stands? There are several wooden planters and wooden plant stands you can use to transform your home or even make money by selling them. Wooden planters and plant stands come in different shapes and sizes. You can make small ones as mini woodworking projects. Small plant stands are popular items to make money as a woodworker. Wooden planters and plant stands are not only practical solutions for growing plants but also serve as beautiful decorative elements in homes and gardens. Their versatility, natural aesthetic, and durability make them popular choices among gardening enthusiasts and interior decorators alike. This comprehensive exploration will delve into the benefits, types, designs, and care of wooden planters and plant stands, providing insights into how to incorporate them into your living spaces. Wooden planters offer numerous advantages over other materials, making them a preferred choice for many gardeners. Wood provides excellent insulation for plant roots, helping to maintain a stable temperature and moisture level. The natural look of wood complements various garden styles, from rustic to modern, enhancing the overall beauty of your outdoor or indoor space. When sourced sustainably, wooden planters are an environmentally friendly option, as wood is biodegradable and renewable. Wooden planters can be easily customized through painting, staining, or even carving, allowing for personal expression. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wooden planters and plant stands to transform your home decor or sell for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Various types of wooden planters cater to different gardening needs and styles. Raised garden beds are elevated wooden structures that provide ample space for growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers. They improve drainage, reduce soil compaction, and make gardening more accessible for those with limited mobility. Raised beds can vary in height and size, with options for single or multi-level designs. Another popular wooden planter is the window box. Window boxes are narrow planters attached to windowsills, adding greenery and color to building exteriors. They maximize vertical space and can enhance curb appeal while providing a home for trailing plants and flowers. Window boxes can be made from various wood types and can be lined to retain moisture. Container planters are other models which are standalone units that come in various shapes and sizes, perfect for patios, balconies, or entryways. These planters can be moved easily, allowing for seasonal rearrangements. They can be designed with drainage holes and liners to protect the wood and keep plants healthy. Vertical planters utilize vertical space to grow plants, often featuring multiple tiers or pockets for planting. Ideal for small gardens or urban settings, they allow for the cultivation of various plants in limited areas. Vertical planters can be built as wall-mounted units or freestanding structures. Plant stands elevate plants off the ground, enhancing visibility and improving aesthetics. Elevating plants allows for better air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Plant stands make it easier to tend to plants, especially for those with limited mobility. They add layers and dimensions to your space, drawing attention to your favorite plants. There are various styles of plant stands to suit different aesthetics and needs. Tiered plant stands feature multiple levels, allowing for the display of several plants in a compact space. These stands create a cascading effect, showcasing plants at different heights for visual interest. Single plant stands are designed to hold one plant, often used for larger specimens or statement pieces. They draw attention to specific plants, making them ideal for showcasing unique or rare specimens. Folding plant stands provide flexibility and ease of storage, making them perfect for seasonal use or small spaces. They can be easily moved indoors or outdoors, depending on the season and plant needs. Decorative plant stands often feature intricate designs or artistic elements, serving both as functional and decorative pieces. Decorative plant stands can enhance the overall design aesthetic of a room or garden. The choice of wood significantly impacts the durability and appearance of planters and plant stands. Cedar is a popular choice for outdoor planters due to its natural resistance to rot and insects. Cedar can last for many years without significant deterioration, making it a great investment. Redwood is another rot-resistant wood ideal for outdoor use, known for its beautiful, rich color. Its color and grain patterns add natural beauty to any planter or stand. Pine is a cost-effective option, suitable for indoor planters and stands. While less durable outdoors, treated pine can be used for outdoor projects if maintained properly. Teak is highly durable and resistant to weathering, making it a premium choice for outdoor furniture and planters. Its rich color and fine grain make it a sought-after material for high-end designs. Choosing sustainably sourced wood is essential for minimizing environmental impact. Look for wood certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, ensuring responsible harvesting practices. Using reclaimed wood can add character to your planters and stands while being environmentally friendly. When designing wooden planters and stands, aesthetic appeal plays a crucial role. Ensure that the design complements your existing garden or home decor, whether it's rustic, modern, or traditional. Consider using stains or paints that enhance the natural beauty of the wood while protecting it from the elements. Incorporating functional features can enhance the usability of your planters and stands. Ensure that planters have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can harm plant roots. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wooden planters and plant stands to transform your home decor or sell for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.